Learn how to load your Cutie Frame. First, you're going to make a quilt sandwich with your quilt top, batting, and backing. You want to make sure that your backing is at least 4 inches larger on all sides than your top. Put your quilt through the hopping foot and lay it over the take-up rail. Align the top of your quilt top at least 2 inches away from the take-up rail. Once your quilt top is square, put on the back fabric clamps and make sure the coils are facing away from you. Then attach the shorter fabric clamps onto the side rails and finally attach the long fabric clamps onto the front rails. Before you start sewing, you want to make sure everything is smooth. And now you're ready to use your domestic sewing machine to quilt. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to watch the other 3 videos on our How to Use Your Cutie Frame series.